put it any better. He's covered everything. What I'll do is, I'm going to broaden it out into something that he hasn't done. So this is the letter, the 8th letter. Look at it as if you're looking at a tarot card and you're seeing what it means. What does this mean? What is the frequency? What is the house? You look at everything. What does the picture say? What colour is this? There's water and there's fire. Why is there water and there's fire? Yeah? Reading frequency. Now let's read this letter. We'll let this brother show you. Okay. This is it. This is it. Let me just play this for you. Is it turned up?
The letter Chet has a very, very special construction. You'll see on one side there's the letter Vav, the other side a letter Zayin, connected by a triangular bridge called a Chatoteret above it. The Vav represents a male energy. The Zayin represents a female energy.
Right, did you get that? A male and a female. Within the Chet, the 8th letter. Now this is modern Hebrew, but has lots of meaning. What we're doing is we're reading the card, we're reading the letter to understand what number 8, the portal that is created. I'm leading you into the portal. And this brother, God bless you, brother. Oh, Father. Let's listen.
The connecting triangle is like a chuppah, it's like a wedding canopy. Thus, in Hebrew, the word for wedding canopy, chuppah, begins with a chet. Because that is what a chuppah is. It's bringing together the male and the female. And the upper triangle is what's called the third partner in a relationship, which is God. Now the form of the Chatoteret, the triangle, reminds us a bit of the letter Gimel. Because a Gimel is 3. And it has to do with movement, because the letter Gimel looks like a foot walking. So the letter Chet, in a sense, represents a similar type of energy. In the letter Gimel, we talked about what's called Ratzov V'Shav, running and returning. The Chet looks like a gateway through which one runs and returns.
Yeah. Where's the gateway? What is the gateway? What is the portal? Who is the portal? Thank you, brother. Carry on.
And the connection between the Gimel and the Chet, the Gimel equals 3, and the Chet, which equals 8, but we'll see it's made up of 3 components. The Vav, the Zayin, and the Chatoteret. The letter Chet is the first letter of the word Chai. Very, very famous word in Hebrew, life. Many people wear a necklace or a pendant that has a Chai in it, because the Jewish faith is connected to life, is life affirming. L'chaim, l'chaim. So the letter Chet is full of life force. We're told that there's life force of the body, there's a life force of the soul, and then there's a higher life force. When one connects to God's energy, one can draw divine life force into both the body and the soul. The idea
So do we get it? The portal is carry on.
Of the Chet being a gateway through which we come in and go out is connected to the number of 8. 8 in Judaism and in Torah teaching is very similar to how 8 is related to in many other cultures and religions as a number of one beyond 7, representing full cycles. 8 represents something that's eternal, that's infinite, one beyond. Thus, the symbol for infinity is a number 8 on its side, where it seems to go in circles infinite amount of times. So this is connected very much to the number 8 as relates to circumcision.
Okay. Are you still there? So I'd like to thank our brother. And what I'd like to do is when I come back, I'm going to broaden on the number 8. Yeah? Because something to do with the connection. When the two become one, with the center point. It brings eternity. When you get this, when you truly get this, you'll realize that Father, the creator of all living things, everything, the center, you who's been blessed to be here on this incredible planet Earth, that's ready to birth new. The old will fall in and disappear to make way for the new. The marriage of the Lamb, the number 8. When the marriage of the Lamb, sure is. Sure is. I might as well continue when I was going to have a break for. It's right now. That's the marriage of the Lamb. as everything else. As a pattern of something which is copy, 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 copy. Yeshua the pattern is bigger or even bigger, but it's the same. So you and I, male and female, we're meant to be together. This is what this is all about, this creation here. The two becoming one. But without the Father, it's in vain. The centre point. You see, Yeshua is of the essence of the nature of his Father. He is not his Father. There is only one. Aren't you a exact representation of your Father, Yeshua? Yes, but I'm not my Father. My Father is greater than I. Is greater than I. My Father is greater than I. Always will be. Was there not a Trinity? The Trinity. What is the Trinity? 3 in 1 equal? Equal? The 3 are equal? No. There is only one who is great. Greater than all. That is the creator of all. We are the creation, not the creator. Even although we've been blessed with great abilities, past, present, future. Without the centre, eternity, say goodbye. The number 8, the marriage of the Lamb, the 2. Linking together and becoming one. And at the centre point of it all, his Father. Yeah. The marriage of the Lamb announced. The marriage of the Lamb. The number 7, the number 8.